ASME Section 5 Online Energy Training by URGS International. Good day, everyone. Welcome to this technical session presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive overview of ASME Section 5, its importance in industry, and details about our 5-day online training program designed for professionals in the field of non-destructive testing (NDT). This session will be particularly useful for NDT professionals, QA/QC engineers, inspection personnel, candidates preparing for ASNT Level 2 and Level 3 certifications. By the end of the session, you will have a clear understanding of ASME Section 5 requirements, training structure, and how this course can support your career growth. About URGS International. URGS International is a professional organization providing engineering, inspection, certification, and training services. We specialize in NDT training and certification, ISO and technical compliance training, industrial inspection, and quality assurance. Our training programs are designed with focus on international standards compliance, practical industry application, career oriented learning outcomes. We aim to develop professionals who are not just certified but also technically competent and industry ready. Introduction to ASME Section Code and Section 5. Let us now understand the ASME code structure. The ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code (BPVC) is one of the most widely used standards globally for the design, fabrication, and inspection of pressure equipment. It is divided into multiple sections, such as Section 1 is for power boilers, Section 8 for pressure vessels, Section 9 for welding qualifications, Section 5 non-destructive examination. What is ASME Section 5? ASME Section 5 provides methods for conducting non-destructive testing, guidelines for procedure qualification, requirements for personnel and equipment. It ensures that inspection activities are reliable, repeatable, and in compliance with international standards. Overview of NDT methods. ASME Section 5 covers several NDT methods. Let us briefly understand them. First, visual testing (VT), basic inspection method, detects surface defects. Second, ultrasonic testing (UT), uses sound waves, detects internal defects. Third is radiographic testing (RT), uses X-rays or gamma rays, produces images of internal structure. Fourth is magnetic particle testing (MT), detects surface and near surface defects, applicable for ferromagnetic materials. Fifth is liquid penetrant testing (PT), detects surface breaking defects, simple and cost effective. Each method has its own advantages, limitations, application areas. Industrial importance of ASME Section 5. ASME Section 5 is critical in industries such as oil and gas, petrochemical, power generation, manufacturing. Why is it important? Ensures safety of pressure equipment, prevents failure and accidents, helps in quality control and compliance. Without proper NDT, defects may go undetected, leading to equipment failure, financial losses, safety hazards. Training program structure. Let us now understand the structure of our training program. Program details for this code: 5 days duration, mode is online, live instructor led, schedule is regular evening batches every month, timing is 9 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. IST, 3.5 to 4 hours evening classes. We have weekend batches also. Training approach: concept based teaching, practical case studies, real industry examples. We ensure that participants not only understand theory but also apply concepts practically. Detailed course modules. Module 1 is Fundamentals of NDT, Principles of NDT, Types of Discontinuities. Module 2 is ASME Section 5 Structure, Articles and Sub-Articles, Mandatory Requirements. Module 3 NDT Methods, UT, RT, PT, MTVT in details, Techniques and Procedures. Module 4 is Procedure Development, Writing NDT Procedures, Qualification and Approval. Module 5 is Interpretation and Evaluation, Reading Inspection Results, Acceptance Criteria. Module 6 is Documentation and Reporting, Preparing Reports, Compliance Documentation. Now, target audience. This course is suitable for NDT technicians and engineers, QA/QC engineers, inspection professionals, candidates preparing for HNT Level 2 and Level 3. Now, learning outcomes. Participants will be able to apply ASME Section 5 requirements, perform NDT methods effectively, interpret inspection results, ensure compliance with standards. Certification and career benefits. Participants will receive training completion certificate from URGS International. Career benefits: improved job opportunities, higher salary potential, qualification for level 3 roles. Now, why choose URGS International? Experienced industry trainers, practical training approach, flexible timing, international standard alignment. Now, registration details. So, to enroll, email us info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Join our monthly evening batches. We also have weekend batches, Saturday, Sunday. So, participants can join that batch also. Conclusion: at last, thank you for your time. We look forward supporting your journey in NDT and ASME standards. Stay connected with URGS International for more technical programs. Thank you.